Alright, so today I'm reviewing the smart RGB corner lamp that I got off Amazon. Very low priced, and I did want to kind of show you the light show part of this. You can hook it up to basically react to different noises. But first I wanted to show you the installation part of it. Super easy, took me about 2 minutes. It's a simple plug and play feature. And basically, yeah, it's all unassembled. You plug it all in and you're off to the races. But here goes the light show. But yeah, basically that's the light show feature that reacts to sound. But there's 10 to 11 different modes, as well as kind of the full color wheel. But super nice. I'm gonna kind of just go through each one here. They have kind of the subtle difference between one color to another. Pretty harsh. You have the very short distant kind of color variation. There is a strobe feature, not my personal favorite, but I could see why somebody would like that. As well as, individual colors as well, right? So I believe there's 12, but they are just, the main colors that you would use. Now, it doesn't actually have 6 million colors like I've seen on some other ones, but it does have the app, which allows you to access way more colors. I just don't have a need for the app personally because the remote is good enough for me, but I could see if you wanted a wider spectrum of programmable details, you could. But yeah, highly recommend this product and getting one for yourself.